Hi beautiful family, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Glory. Happy holidays to you all. The year is about to come to an end. I pray whatsoever is your heart desire you have not gotten, whatsoever you are praying to God to do for you this year and you have not come to pass, the few remaining days for the year to come to an end, God will definitely answer your prayers in Jesus name. Amen. On today's video, I will show you 3 ways on how to use onion for massive hair growth, to regrow your hair in crown section, thicken up your hair and grow your hair super faster and longer. To prepare the recipe, I'll be using my purple onion and my white onion. So the purple onion I'm using, this is not the real dark purple onion, okay? I don't have the dark purple onion. This type of purple onion I have. So I've already peeled it and washed them. So I'm going to divide this purple onion into 2. We are preparing, this one is recipe number 1. So I'm going to dice the onion, the half of the onion I cut. I'll dice it into a small sizable. After dicing it, I bring in my blender, transfer the onion into the blender. I'm going to add a little water for easy blending process. So I'll go off camera to blend it. After blending it, I bring my bowl and my shift cloth to strain it, okay? I will collect my container to transfer the juice. So we have gotten, this is the recipe number 1 is already ready. So this is how to prepare purple onion juice, okay, for massive hair growth. So this is what I've got so far. This is how they, like as I said, if it's dark purple, it will color more purple than this, okay? So this is recipe number 1. Moving on to the second recipe, I bring in my pot and my white onion. To slice one of my white onion, the bigger one, I will slice it into a small sizable. After dicing the full onion, this is what I got so far. So I'm going to add water on it, a little water, okay, to boil it, okay? So I'm going to boil this for 5 minutes, okay? Boil it, don't allow the light to be too high, okay? So once it's 5 minutes mark, I'll bring it down. Once I bring it down, I would like to cool down completely, okay, so that it also releases more nutrients into the water, okay? So to make it more effective, do not use it while it's hot. I like to cool down completely before you strain it. So after cooling down some minutes or some hours, this is how it is. I've collected my bowl and my shifter to collect the juice, okay? So this is white onion juice. This is recipe number 2 on how to use white onion juice for massive, longer, healthy hair growth. So this is what I got so far. This is how it look like. This is how the white onion juice look like. So moving on to the third recipe is the half of the purple onion and the one of the small white onion. I'm going to slice them together. Keep on watching. I will show you how to apply this recipe for best results, and also I'll be telling you the benefit to be gotten on using onion on your hair, okay? So after dicing the purple one, I collect the white onion also. I'll also dice it into a small sizable. After dicing the 2 onions together, I'll bring my blender, transfer the 2 onions into a blender. Next thing, I add a little water into the onion, very little water. I'm going to blend it off camera. After blending it, I bring in my stainless plate, transfer the blending onion into the stainless plate. Next thing, I pour in my oil. I'm using extra virgin olive oil. Use any oil of your choice. This recipe number 3, we are making onion oil, okay? So keep on watching to see how to make this onion oil, the best way to prepare onion oil for massive faster hair growth. After adding the oil, next thing, I on my gas and put it on top of the gas, and do not allow the gas to be too high. My gas is not too high, so I'm going to cook this thing for, I don't know, I will not tell you how many minutes I'm going to cook it. It depends on the how your gas is low. Once the color of the onion start changing, you know that the water have dry. You know when the water will dry, and you feel the onion will not be that gumming together like earlier before. The onion will start separating from each other. That's when you know that it is done, okay? And also the color of the onion will also change in another color to something like somehow brown. You know that this oil is ready. At this moment, the oil have started getting ready. As you can see, it has started getting ready. So you can increase your oil measurements, okay? You can use lesser oil measurements. I don't want to do too much oil on this because I already have enough oil at home. So do you see at this moment, you see that's how you know that this oil is ready. See how the color have changed and the water have dried very well. So at this point now, this oil is ready. Please do not allow this oil to get burned, okay? Try to stir it consistent, and don't allow your lights to be too high. Don't allow your fire to be too high so that the oil will not burn. When this oil burn, you will not like it, and they have losing in nutrients. For you to avoid that, for this oil to be more potent and more effective, don't allow it to burn, okay? So at this moment, this oil is ready. As you can see, the oil is ready. The onion have settled down very well and have changed in color also. So I'm going to bring it down and allow it to cool down completely. Once I allow it to cool down completely, I will strain it out, okay? So after cooling down, this is what I got so far. I'll bring my container and my shifter again to shifter this oil, okay? So this part is necessary to use something that have very tiny hole to collect your oil, guys. Our onion oil is ready. This onion oil is mind-blowing. These 3 recipes I just share with you, they are very effective in growing your hair. This recipe is bomb. Just keep on watching to see how to use them for effective results, and also the benefit to be gotten on using these ingredients. I'll be letting you know later. So I'm using my spoon to press it so that I can get all the oil and the little onion enter into the oil. You can strain it out, or you can pour them together. Like I pour mine together. I didn't mind whatsoever. The 3 ways on how to use onion for massive hair growth is ready. So these are the 3 simple ways you can prepare onion to use this for effective thickness, longer, healthy hair growth, to regrow your hair in crown section. It's very simple to prepare, but it's very effective. So keep on watching. I will take you step by step on how to apply this for best results, how to use them for hair thickener, longer and healthier, to regrow your hair in crown section. These are the white onion juice, purple onion juice, and the onion oil. So this is the stage of my hair. My hair is dirty, so one way to use this onion is as a pre-poo, okay? So I'm going to divide my hair into 2 halves, okay? So one part I'll be applying the white onion, while the other part I'll be applying the purple onion juice. The other side I'll be applying the white onion juice. The other side I'll be applying the purple onion juice. So this is the purple onion juice. I'll start with the purple onion juice on this half of my hair that I did not pack up. So apply this generously on your scalp and the strands of your hair. Make sure that this coats your hair very well. While using this nail, please please make sure that you apply it very well all over your hair for you to get the best results. Okay, so applying it, while applying it, also be giving yourself a gentle scalp massage. If your hair is not in protective hairstyle like this, please work in session. Okay, working in session will help you a lot to make sure that the product have penetrate your hair very well. You can, if you use this recipe right way, you will never get tired of using onion on your hair. This onion have helped me a lot in growing my hair. It has helped me, it has contributed for thickness of my hair, longer of my hair, healthy of my hair. If you know onion, you can never joke with onion. Okay, you will never joke with using this recipe on your hair. It's better you use a recipe that smell horrible and give you best result that you desire than using a recipe that have fancy smell and is not doing any work for you. Okay, if you are like me, let me know in comment section below. If you like using recipe that smell nice and not doing work for you, please let me know in comment section below. And if you don't mind the smell of the ingredients but using them and they are doing amazing work on your hair, please also let me know in comment section below. I would like to know your opinion. Okay, so I applied that purple onion on my hair very well on this half part of my hair. I'm going to tell you guys the difference between the purple onion and the white onion on your hair when you apply them on your hair, whether there is difference in the two white onion and the purple onion when you use them on your hair. I'll tell you that later on this video. So this is the white onion juice. Now I'll be applying it in the other half of my hair also. So after applying it, I'm going to massage my hair very well. Okay, so let's talk about the benefits of onion, what the onion can do to your hair when you use onion. Onion help with hair growth because it contains sulfur to support strong and thicker hair, prevent hair loss and promote hair growth. The sulfur from onions may also help promote collagen production. Collagen in turn help the production of healthy skin cell and hair growth. There is a lot of benefit to be gotten on using onion on your hair. Onion will help you a lot in grow your hair. You will never get tired of using onion on your hair, especially in that your problem area. Focus it very well, apply that particular place very well. Okay, you're going to see the results. So I'll be telling you how many times you can apply this on your hair for best results, and also I'll be telling you whether you're going to choose the purple onion or the white onion. Keep on watching. So after applying this on my hair, make sure that I pour them very well on my hair, give myself a gentle scalp massage. So I'm going to cover my hair now. Okay, see the thing is dripping all over my body, but I didn't mind because I know the benefits I'll be gotten on using this on my hair. That's why I did not mind how my body was wet because of applying this onion on my hair. I did not mind because the result is so amazing. So I'm going to give myself a gentle scalp massage. Make sure you massage your scalp whenever you apply this recipe on your hair to get best results. Okay, so after massaging my scalp, I will cover up my hair. I will leave it to dry. I will cover it up and allow it to sit for 1 hour. 1 hour. Okay, it can leave you for 30 minutes, but the best way to leave it is for 1 hour so that it can do what it's supposed to do on your hair very well. Okay, after 1 hour, I will go off camera, shampoo my hair. Okay, I'm going to use mild shampoo. Don't use surface shampoo. Use shampoo. You can use moisturizing shampoo. Use shampoo that is very mild. I'm trying to show you the purple onion still remains small, but I will finish up the purple onion on my hair. It's only the white onion going to remain a little bit. You know, the white onion container full very well, while the purple onion juice container did not full very well. So the purple onion, I finish it on my hair, while the white onion, I did not finish it. I use it on my daughter hair. The little one that remaining, I use it on my daughter hair. Okay, so make sure that you use a moisturizing shampoo. Don't use a surface shampoo to wash this out of your hair. Okay, use a mild shampoo to wash it out. Okay, and also while washing it out, make sure you wash it out very well on your hair and deep condition your hair. After deep condition your hair, we're going to follow up the next step. Okay, If you are watching up to this point, mean that this video is helpful to you. Please click on that like button. It's helped me a lot, okay? And subscribe, share this video to your family and friends. Thank you so much. So after shampooing after the 1 hour shampooing my hair, doing everything, this is how my hair is now, okay? So my hair, I use that t-shirt to dry out the excessive water on my hair. Guys, only shampooing my hair, do you see my hair feels so soft, so shiny? Honestly guys, this camera is not really doing justice on my hair. So next thing now is the oil, okay? So after shampooing the hair, apply the oil. Use the oil as a scalp massage. Use the oil as your sealant, okay? I'm going to use this oil and apply on my scalp and on the strands of my hair. So there is another way you can use this oil. You can also use this oil as a pre-poo, okay? You can use this as your sealant. You can use this as a hot oil treatment. There is different way you can use this onion oil for best results. This onion oil is mind-blowing. This recipe I just share with you is mind-blowing. So talking about the onion, the purple onion and the white onion, the difference on my hair, guys, I will not lie to you, I did not see any difference. As you can remember, I apply purple onion in half of my hair, apply the white onion in other half of my hair. After raising it out, doing everything, I did not see any difference texture on my hair. My hair feel the same. The way my hair, the white purple onion feel, the same way the purple onion feel. The way the purple onion feel is the same way the white onion feel on my hair. There's nothing different, okay? So you can use any of them that you can reach your hand on. You are good to go. Guys, this will I'll be closing today's video. I hope this video is very helpful. Do not forget to like, share and comment. If there's anything I do not cover up on this video, please let me know in comment section below. I'm going to cover it up. And let me know if you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you're going to give this recipe a try, okay? I love you guys so much, but God love you more. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed out there. Bye. Mwah.